Most traders watch price and volume, but the smartest ones track the hidden force that actually drives everything: open interest flow. Trading sophistication evolves from watching price to analyzing volume, and finally to monitoring OI flow, the ultimate indicator that separates professionals from amateurs. Open interest flow is the invisible current beneath price action, pulsing and sinking with every market movement, like electricity through the market's nervous system. When big players enter, open interest rises. When they exit, it collapses. And when they shift positions, these waves ripple through the entire market. Position shifts by institutions directly cause market shifts. The two move together because smart money leads and price follows. Today, you'll learn to read this current live in real time with the accuracy and precision of a professional trader. This is Advanced OI Flow Trading, where we take your understanding to the next level. Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom through professional-grade trading education. OI Flow Trading represents the next level of option chain analysis, delivered through this comprehensive masterclass designed to transform your trading. Basic OI gives you static numbers and generic interpretation, but live OI Flow reveals the dynamic energy pushing price before candles even form. When you understand OI Flow, you stop following the market and start anticipating it. That's the competitive edge that changes everything. Welcome to OI Flow Fundamentals, where we'll uncover how real-time contract changes reveal what traders are actually doing in the market. OI Flow tracks contract changes as they happen, giving you a live window into position shifts across the market. OI Flow shows you who's entering, who's exiting, whether momentum is building, and whether trends are weakening. It also reveals reversal signals, confirms if breakouts are real or fake, and tells you when to exit. Price is the result. OI Flow is the cause. Now let's explore the 4 flow types that define different market conditions. Bullish flow appears when put OI rises, call OI falls, premium stays stable, and price forms higher lows. This flow prepares the market for upward movement as bulls enter aggressively. Bearish flow shows up when call OI rises, put OI falls, premiums decay, and price makes lower highs. This pattern builds seller strength and increases downtrend pressure across the market. Neutral flow occurs when call OI rises at resistance, put OI rises at support, price stays stuck, and IV remains low. This creates a trading box perfect for straddle and strangle selling strategies. Volatility flow emerges when both call and put OI collapse. IV rises, volume stays low but builds, and price compresses. This signals pressure building like a volcano with a massive move coming soon. Let's learn how to read OI flow live in real trading situations. Master this in 4 steps. Identify spikes, track direction, watch reversals, and follow momentum. OI spikes reveal where big players enter and which strikes they're building positions at. When call OI rises fast at 22,000 while put OI falls, bearish flow activates. OI reversals happen when put OI stops rising and starts falling. Call OI stops falling and starts rising, signaling a trend change. When OI momentum flows one way, buy that direction, target quick moves, and place stops below the opposite OI wall. Now let's explore 4 powerful strategies built on flow analysis. The momentum flow entry triggers when put OI rises for 5 minutes, call OI drops, and price nears resistance. Prepare for the breakout. Enter with a call and target 20 to 40 points. The flow reversal strategy activates when price hits resistance, call OI surges, and put OI collapses. This setup means big players blocked the breakout, so enter with a put. The range flow strategy appears when both call and put OI are high and rising while price stays centered. This range creates opportunities for straddle selling, strangle selling, and credit sprints. The big move setup shows when call OI collapses, put OI collapses, IV jumps, and price compresses. Enter with long straddles, long strangles, or momentum trades to catch the explosive move. Let's walk through a live trading example to see flow analysis in action. Price is at 22,050, with resistance at 22,100 and support at 22,000. At 10:17 a.m., put OI at 22,000 rises steadily. Call OI at 22,100 falls, IV stays stable, and price climbs, detecting bullish flow. At 10:26 a.m., put OI spikes massively. Call OI collapses. The candle breaks 22,100, and volume surges, confirming the breakout. Enter the call and target 40 to 60 points as the breakout unfolds. Now let's cover critical traps that can destroy your trades if you're not careful. When OI rises but volume stays flat, it's fake strength, not real conviction. OI collapsing during news events creates highly dangerous and unpredictable conditions. A sharp OI spike at just one strike often signals manipulation by large players. When OI flows one way but price moves the opposite way, it's a price trap. Buying options when IV is high creates a premium death trap through rapid decay. OI flow is powerful but only when combined with discipline. Let's recap everything you've mastered about OI flow today. You've learned bullish flow, bearish flow, neutral flow, and volatility flow. You've mastered the momentum strategy, reversal strategy, range strategy, and big move strategy. When you read OI flow, you don't just trade the market, you trade the force behind it. If today's video opened your eyes to real market energy, let's keep the momentum going. Show your support by hitting the like button and dropping a comment to connect with the community. Hit like and comment Flowmaster below. Subscribe to Money Mastery for your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. Now, let me give you a sneak peek at what's coming next. The next video builds directly on everything we've covered so far. We're diving into system-based intraday options trading, a rule-based trading system that anyone can follow. We'll take all the lessons you've learned and combine them into one complete, actionable trading system. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.